Testing. Computer. That's what I wanted to hear. Well, last day of training. I don't know where you guys are, but I'm going to start anyway. Wait a couple of minutes. Okay. Okay. Last class, and no one's on time. Okay. It happens. I'm trying to get this out the way. All right. Let's see what we have here. Now, interesting yesterday. Last night, you know all those orders that we took? 5 of them altogether. 2 of them hit. Earlier, let's look at the earlier Euro US hit this area. It was this candle that hit this area, 103.93. I made about 30 pips out of it. And then I got out of it because I saw it was going back up. And then it topped here. I got back in. That's the trade right here. I'm in this trade right now. I just got in. It just hit that point recently, and I got in. That's the trade you see now. And it should be coming at least down to 1.560. Now, another trade that we did was at US Japanese. Check it out. Ooh, it went back up real nice. I got out early. I knew I should have stayed in. I knew it was going to see it. I got out because around this area it started coming down, so I got out. But I knew it was going to continue to go up. I should have stayed in, but it hit right here. This trade hit right here. That 111.83, 111.83. It hit, and I got out about here. So I made about 40 pips in this one, but I knew I should have stayed in. I knew it was going to go up, and look at it. I should have stayed in, but I got out. I got a little nervous and got out. But I knew, I'm saying, it's going to, I had to go somewhere. I wanted to make my money and get out. But look at it. Look what it did. It shot back up. Or I could have got back in right around here. But I got out the trade, and I literally should have stayed in. So, but I'm in this trade for the sell. I caught it at the top. And I caught that US Japanese hit. Remember, the Euro US hit at that one, we were at that 153 115.93 area. 115.93. I think somewhere over here. Somewhere over here. It hit, whatever this was is the price I was in. That I changed it to this price, wherever that arrow is. And it hit, made some money. It dropped to here. I got out somewhere around here. And then it shot back up. And now it's up. Now I'm going to make some more money coming down. And that's what you see. The profit now. But that US Japanese, I panicked. Because I was doing too much. I should have stayed in. Look at it. I would have made a couple of more $100. I got in, I got out. Like at I got in at right here. This is the 15-minute chart. I got in right here. It hit. This one we set it up at 111.83. It hit, and it came up, went sideways, and it went, that would have been 40-something pips. And I got out around, somewhere around here. I saw it coming down. I said, let me get out with some profit. I should have stayed in because I knew it was going to go back up. I knew it was going to go back up. But I'm in another trade now. But 2 trades, I made money. So I'm cool. But that's, when you miss it, you miss it. I'm not going to jump back in it. I missed it. So let's look at the Japanese. So those are the trades that they went well yesterday. 2 pending orders. Another needs hit. So I should be getting rid of these pending orders. Let me look at them. Buy limit for Australian Japanese. Let's look at the Australian Japanese. Let's see if it's close to what I'm doing. See, I had a buy pending order down here. I didn't put a reason. Let's expand it. It may be some money for us. Coming down. And I'm not going to mess with that. Not going to mess with it because if I expand it, again, our resistance is here. Our support is here. We're on the 4-hour chart. And it went up. Now it looks like it's going sideways. It may come down. But I would only want to make money if it came to this level and got into resistance or came down to support. I'm not ready to play with the Australian Japanese based on what I think it's going to do when I can get a British pound or Euro US and I'm getting it at the top. Because that's where I like to catch trades. Okay. The new resistance level is there. So, and that's why we're in profit right here. So I'm not into, let's look at what US Canada is doing. Not a trade I'm interested in. Again, maybe if I would have caught it at the top. But now it's just looks like it's coming back up to the top. I'm not interested right now. US Canada. Oh, this may be a good trade. Our chart looks like it's down there at the top. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. Yeah, that may be a good trade. US Canada. Because look at it. If I move this area here, you see a resistance, I may want to catch that coming down. But again, tomorrow's Friday. I don't even know how long. This just looks like such a good trade. I don't trade Euro Canada. But it looks like it's coming down. Somebody get on? Hey, Julius. Yeah, it looks like it's coming down. But I don't usually trade Euro US, Euro Canada, so I'm not sure. But it looks like it's about to come down. If we look at it, yeah, it looks like it's coming down. But I'll wait and see what it's going to do. But I see it coming down. Right now, like I said, I'm comfortable with this trade. I just got.
What are your usual pairs you trade?
I on this one, because this is a demo account, I'm just working with what's up here. And right now, because of class, I'm just trying to stay with the British pound, Euro US, pretty much, and US Japanese, just so people can get familiar with those three. But I'll trade anything that looks good. But I usually don't trade the Euro Canada, but that looks like a good sell, because it's definitely at a resistance.
I'm gonna check it out.
And but I got in Euro US, and I explained, we got two trades that hit today, between today and last night. The Euro US hit for a sell, and the US Japanese hit for a buy. And I got out the US Japanese earlier, and I was explaining that because it hit that area right here at 111.83. It took the trade today, and then I got out because it started going down. I got out right about here. But because I had somewhere to go, and I'm like in my head, I know it's going to go up. I know it's going to go up. And look at it. All that money I missed. All that money I missed. So I missed that money because I got out the trade early rather than just putting a stop loss on, in the profit. I just wanted to make my money and get out. But I took a trade earlier that this area took that trade coming down. I made money from here to here. I got out because it retracted up, but I made money like from here. It was about 20 pips I made. I remember it was about 20 pips I made. I don't know. Somehow, I thought it went down farther. Maybe I got in here. I got in here. And it came down, and I made money. Because it hit this point, and I made money. And then I got back in here. I got back in here. That's this trade here. So, I think I got out about here. I don't know. About 168. Yeah, I remember I made about 20 pips on it, somewhere around there. But, so I made two trades that hit pending orders. I got in this one manually earlier today. That's a manual trade. That wasn't a pending order. So, I'm looking at US Canada again. If we really look at, there it goes coming down. I would definitely take that trade. I would take that trade.
So
it looks
you're
like
going to take it going into Friday.
Yeah, even going into Friday, I feel comfortable with that trade. 1597. Yeah, it was only a 2-pip spread. Very comfortable on making money on that trade. Because of the way it's lined up. It's at a resistance. Strong resistance. Let's go to the day chart.